Well, question 45, part A. So we've got to solve this equation, okay? And when we solve the equation, right, then we think about this minus 2, right? Let's take that over the other side, okay? And when you take it over the other side, it becomes a plus 2. You do the opposite of minusing and plusing. So that means then 3x will equal 12, okay? And then x will equal 12 divided by 3. Alright, because you got 3 times x, take the 3 over and divide. So then you get 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Part B, it says, number machine is shown below. Calculate the output when the input is minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 goes into the machine. And then it says add 5 to it. Okay, so that's what it's saying, isn't it? Add 5. Now when I add 5 to minus 2, you end up at positive 3, don't you? If you use your number line there. Okay, so minus 2, as it says, going into this machine, adding 5 to it, use a number line if you want, but you end up at 3 coming out. And then you put it into the next machine, and what does it say? Multiply by 7. So that 3 goes in, you multiply by 7, what you get out? You get out 21, don't you? Okay, 21 is the output. And there's no machines for it to go, because when it comes out of there, there's your answer. Part 2 then, it says write down an expression for the output when the input is n. Now, sometimes they don't put a number, they just sort of use a letter. So if the input is n, right, we've got to go through the steps again. Now, what does it say? Add 5. Okay, so n goes into this machine, and it says add 5. What comes out of it? What comes out of that machine? If you think about it, if we're adding 5, we would say plus 5, wouldn't we? So n goes in, add 5, so you end up with n plus 5. Okay, so n plus 5 comes out. Then it says multiply by 7. Okay, multiply by 7. Now you might be tempted now just to say, look, times that then by 7. Okay, unfortunately though, if you leave it like that, you won't get all the marks. Okay, you won't get the 2 marks. Because when it says multiply by 7, you've got to multiply all of this n plus 5 by 7. So to show that, to multiply all of it by 7, you need to put a bracket around here. Okay, so n plus 5, put a bracket around it to show I'm going to multiply all of it by 7. And that's it. Okay, it comes out like this, there's your output, there's your answer. And we're done, right? The other way you could write that is 7 bracket n plus 5. If you wanted to, you could put the 7 at the front to show. But this is fine, right? You get the marks for just doing this.